train friends, welcome back to another train show tour. We're here today, January 4th, at the Greenburg show in Monroeville, PA. We're going to go inside and check it out today on PGHTRAINFANATIC. It's kind of late in the day on Sunday. Maybe we'll get some good deals. It looks really busy, so I hope you enjoy and come along with the tour. Thanks for watching. Productions. Got Pete's amazing artwork like usual. Check them out at leroproductions.com. And don't copy the artwork, right? Don't copy the artwork. There's Pete himself. Say hi. You're on YouTube. The best artwork in the business. It's amazing. You do amazing work. And there's Nevin. Yep, thank you. So cool. Amazing stuff. Like I said, the best. The best. Alright, we're here at 3B's Trains. And check this out. All kind of fun stuff. Lots of locomotives to see. Ooh, U-boat set. That's sick. NS Heritage. Pensy. All kind of trolleys and things back there. Got a Legacy ACL Pacific 462. Some rolling stock. There you go. So check them out. 3B's Trains. Nice stuff. Nice guy. Alright, here's some more stuff I wanted to show you guys. This brass caboose and the third rail Southern Pacific. Beautiful. So much detail on these engines. We are at Trains PA Peter. Tons and tons of N-scale freight cars and HO. Let's go up on the other side and check it out. Here we go. Tons of locomotives, HO scale and N-scale. We'll put the information in the video. If you see something you like, give him a call. If you don't see it, call. Maybe he has it. So much stuff. Here is Robbie's Hobbies. There's some circus cars. Some more passenger cars. Cool. Very nice. Alright, here we are at Jimmy's Trains. You can find all this information and awesome products at jimmystrains.com. And here is his incline. Check this thing out. Oh my gosh, that is sick. All automated, has sound and lighting figures inside the cars. You can hear the sounds coming from the speaker. Check out the lighting. So cool.
Next stop, hand-me-down prison factory.
You can hear the sounds. That's so neat. There's a car with like the camera car. He makes so many cool things. Check out his website. He does like these animated fellers with the trees that fall down. I've shown his videos before at York. This is one of his new products. This is the trolley. So Jimmy was just here and he was telling me about the trolley and the incline were actually my idea, because I was talking to him about how we need some sort of animated trolley, and he did it. It's so cool.
Excellent. I got it memorized. Yeah, there's only like 6 kids out there.
Look how detailed this all is. All this laser cut building, 3D printed parts.
A laser distance sensor is used to precisely locate each car. In the house.
We're running out of coal. The naughty list has never been so
There's little benches inside the cars. Come around here, you can see.
And down the
This is
track.
actually lighted, but it's not on right now. But those lights light up. So neat.
I like that.
There's the Bigfoot. That's awesome. So there's, like I said, there's many more products that you can see that Jimmy has that are not here to display today. So make sure you check out his website. The Bigfoot looks really funny.
Next stop at Reach's house.
He's gonna go back and he's gonna hide behind his little hiding spot. Oh, nope, not yet. There he goes. All right, see you later. Anyway, guys, check out Jimmy Trains and all his amazing products. Here is Moody Street Trains. All kind of track and accessories and things here. Let's go check out the locomotives in the back. Oh wow. Look at those Erie belts. Oh man, that is pretty.
The 1 o'clock game.
Definitely. Yeah, we're all screwed.
There you go, get the Star Wars sets. And some freight cars as well. Oh, this is fun. Check out all the Menards buildings. I love these with the helicopter blades spinning on top. The American Materials building is really cool. I have one of those on my layout. Coffee shop, hobby shop. Here's a bunch of Lionel cars. DC Comics, John Deere, Looney Tunes. And this is an N scale layout. Here we are at the Pittsburgh Independent High Railers O-gauge layout. It's a little bit downsized this time, but still awesome. Western Maryland 1309. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Yesterday, yeah. Looks like just a lot of junk. There's some nice HO scale trains all weathered up. Oh, sorry, I'm in your way. What? That's really cool. It looks like it's autographed by Greg Malone? Oh, I was gonna say Ryan Malone, yeah. Wow. Really neat. There's their info. So I ended up picking up one of Jimmy's Train's animated Christmas trolleys because I knew my wife would absolutely love it, and she does. Can't wait to do a video review of this and show all of its amazing features. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the train show today. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, guys. This is Nick. I'm signing off. We'll see you next time.